Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and page. Today's recipe is puff puff. I am going to show you how I made this delicious fluffy puff puff. Make sure you watch to the end. So I'm going to start by adding 2 cups of warm water to my bowl. Warm water guys, not hot water, and half cup of sugar. I'm also going to add my 2 teaspoons of yeast. Okay, so I'm going to stir, and after stirring I added my flour. I added 4 cups of flour. Okay, I used 4 cups of flour. So I added 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and a pinch of salt. So I'm going to stir, mix together till everything is smooth. You can also add warm milk or powdered milk to your mixture. So I added vanilla essence, a little bit of vanilla essence to give it that extra good flavor and smell. So I'm going to stir carefully, and guys, as you can see, I'm going to wrap it or cover my bowl so that the mixture, the flour will just rise. Okay, remember it is very important to let it rest for like 2 hours. And guys, as you can see, after 2 hours my flour has risen. So now I'm going to start frying. This is how it is supposed to look like, guys. That's how you know that the yeast is good and your puff puff is very well mixed. So I'm going to start frying my puff puff. You also have to be careful to lower your fire so that it won't be too hot. Lower your heat so that the puff puff will not burn. It will be very well cooked inside. So guys, this is how your puff puff is supposed to look like, exactly like this. It has to be golden brown, then you know that it is very well cooked and fried. So that's it guys. I continued the other process, and that's just it. The puff puff is almost ready. As you can see, I fried it for like 3 or 4 times before I got everything ready. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple N. That's it guys. That's how I prepare this delicious fluffy puff puff you are seeing here. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Alright, till then, bye.